Welcome to the Queen's Court. Today I am participating in the $10 Thrift Challenge. It is hosted by the lovely, the beautiful. She's so beautiful, y'all. Her personality is just awesome. I love this woman. All right, a blessed home with Kimberly Davis. And she wanted us to, spend no more than $10 or less on our uh, piece that we were going to show, on our thrift piece that we were going to show. We could go to the thrift store, you can go to yard sale or what have you. And she wanted us to, show where we're going to use it and how we styled it. And this is birdcage. If y'all can't see it, here's the bottom part of it. The bottom part is the same as the top. Okay, down in here, we have this is the top, but this is the cage. Okay. I can't take that. I don't know what I was thinking about, but I can't do that. But anyway, that's the top of the bird cage. And I'm sorry, y'all, but I really wanted to do this flower arrangement. You know what a bird cage look like. So there you have it. This is the front piece down here. You can see that. And I have like a and here through here you can see the bird cage. Okay, it comes up like, I guess you can see it, the bird cage right there. I really want y'all to see this bird cage, but I wanted to do a flower arrangement in it. So I hope that was okay, Kim. I really wanted to do a flower arrangement in this bird cage ever since I got it. And it was only $3.99. And yeah, I really wanted to do a flower arrangement in this. And I wanted to do a tablescape, and it's here in the center of my tablescape. Okay. We had this little bird here. Okay. Beautiful bird. You hear your birds calling you, birdie? But this bird cage is so pretty, and I have it house on another thrift find that I had, and that was like $2.99. Yeah. And also this here is another thrift find as well, but it had like a different flower arrangement in it, so I just set that in it because it was the perfect size for me to, build this here arrangement. Yep, but I wanted to do a flower arrangement. Oh, y'all, listen to those birds. They sound so beautiful. These flowers, again, are coming off like a different color, but they're like a deep purple. It's really a deep purple, y'all. I trust me when I tell you. But y'all know purple is my favorite color. But this is the tablescape I wanted to do as well, along with this here. The little gold bird. I really love this bird cage. I wish I couldn't really narrow it down because I couldn't do a small arrangement inside of it, so it had to cascade out. So that's what I did. But I love it. I meant to put a piece of greenery succulent in the front, and I forgot because I was rushing. I wanted to put it right there. Just everything on this table has come from the thrift store. These are from the thrift store. Those are from Dollar Tree. These bowls are from the thrift store. These are from the thrift store. These are from the thrift store. Yeah, Dollar General, Ross, I believe, or yeah, Ross. Yeah, but these right here came from the thrift store as well. These are P.S. Swain collection. These right here, Goodwill, Home Goods. Yeah, but this here, I love this flower arrangement on this here bird cage. I absolutely love it. There's a bird back there trying to hide, but y'all see the top of it, right? Right there, and through here you can see it how it's built. It's like got like the point at the top. The birds sound so beautiful. And we have like these flowers. They came from the Dollar Tree. This greenery right here came from that was Walmart. Okay, 25 cents. These peonies came from Amazon. Them birds right there came from Good Deal. Okay, they were like $1.09 a piece. But yeah, these little fusion glasses right here, they came from Dollar Tree. Yeah. Hope you all enjoyed this here beautiful collaboration hosted by the lovely Kimberly Davis at A Blessed Home. Please go and check her channel out. And please check out all the other participants that will be participating in this beautiful collaboration. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Queen's Court. I'd love to have you. Also, click that all notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. To all my faithful and returning family members, thank you so, so much for all your love and support. And welcome to all my new family members. I appreciate and love you all. Remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you. Until the next video.